this video I am going to unbox BOYA-M1 mic. Okay, so I'll unbox it and tell you about this. Okay, so see, this is the package we have bought in Flipkart. BY-M1 mic. So this is the box. Okay, in this package only BOYA-M1 mic will be. And see, BOYA-M1 mic originally it will be like this. And it has superb sound for presentations and video recording. And for new YouTubers, also this will be very useful in low cost only. Now see, it has features also. It has features: clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. Omnidirections condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low handling noise. Includes lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen, 1/4 adapter. And see, the connector is 3.5 mm 1/8 4-pole gold plug, and battery type LR44, and weight is microphone 2.5 grams. See, we have got BOYA pouch also. In this pouch only BOYA mic will be. Okay, see, it has a name like this, BOYA. Now let us see what is inside the pouch. So let us see what is there in this pouch. This is the windscreen, and wind noises will without getting wind noises, this will be useful. Okay, and this is the battery, and this is the clip for keeping to our shirts. So we should fix like this. Now here space will be enough. For that we need to fix here. Now we should keep to our shirt. So see, this is the wire, and they have given 6 meters wire. So this is the special feature of BOYA. Okay, so now let us fix battery. Now see, we need to fix this here. Now just push the battery in so that it will fit. Now again we need to keep the cap. So now let us test it if it is working or not. Let us plug this in. So see, it is working here. See, it is working here. When we are talking, it is recording. Can you see? So it is working. So we'll have they'll give us a warranty card also, and even we'll have a manual. Mostly we will have no use of this. So this is the unboxing and review of BOYA mic. Okay,